You already know that though. Part 2 is at the house, at the crib. Y'all invited too. I'm taking y'all with me. Watch my vlog, you heard me? Let's get it.
I'm looking forward to weekend.
Hey guys, it is Friday and I am on my way to my cousin's house so that I could get ready for this football game, y'all. We're going to the Colorado college football game. Y'all, it is so hot. I was up there on Twitter so happy that the fall weather is here. Baby, the fall weather was there for a second and it's gone. Your girl is so hot. I came out of, I don't want to say all my clothes, but I came out of my professional clothes, not on this. But yeah, I'm about to head there, freshen up, get ready, and I guess I'll see y'all once I'm ready. And yeah, you guys gonna meet my cousin today. So BRB. So guys, made it to my cousin's spot, and she's literally, she stayed right here by all of the colleges. So that is really exciting. I'm about to go in, take a shower, get cleaned up. Y'all, the house is gorgeous. So cute, her Airbnb. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna see if I can get a little tour of her spot or whatever, so y'all can see the type of area I'm in or whatever. And let's just see. This is a house, y'all. It's so big and cute. So cute. Did she leave the door? Yeah, it's so nice in here. How cute. So cute.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag. Money in the street. You a bad girl and your friends.
Yeah, this is my cousin.
You got the swag, so she
My baby. Hey guys, we are heading to the game. Look at how bad the traffic is, y'all. Police going. It's just crazy. But I guess I'll see y'all at the game. Toodles. Oh, let me show y'all my outfit. Yes, it's so happy. So yeah, see y'all.
Just run away from the daily routine. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Okay, so here.
We made it back, y'all. The house is so freaking cute, isn't it? Y'all, this is my cousin. Tell them about your brand.
I sell hair. You know I'm shy. I'm shy like you.
But get crazy. Show them your crazy side.
I don't know what to do.
Tell them about your brand.
I sell hair, y'all. I got a hair shop. Shop my 615s. Ooh.
Okay.
I don't know what the fuck to do. I'm so shy.
Playing games.
Okay, y'all. First, let's do a little roll call. What's your name?
Are we doing real names?
No, whatever you want to do.
Oh, twerkalicious.
Twerkalicious! You gonna twerk some?
I'm gonna twerk some.
Okay.
Twerk some. Twerk some.
Okay. You better work it. Okay, what about you, Miss Mama?
Big Lala, not the little one.
Y'all, we about to pour up a shot, okay?
Come on.
Hold on, y'all. Hey.
Patty, Patty, shot.
I'm coming.
Princess can't get a bottle.
Cheers.
Hold on,
Betty, shot.
Hey.
Girls outside. Tell her bust out the way. On my mama, on my gang. Ain't nobody safe. Ain't nobody safe, I promise you.
Ain't nobody.
Okay?
When you touch the ground, you throw it back, back. Hey, yo. Throw it back when you touch the ground, throw it back, back. Hey, yo. Throw it back when you touch the ground, throw it back, back. Throw it back when you touch the ground, throw it back, back. Throw it back when you touch the ground, throw it back, back. Throw it back when you touch the ground, throw it back, back.
The #1 Friday night in Houston. Flagship Fridays. Ladies and gentlemen, please get up out your seats and have your napkins ready to throw. Are you ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Girl, hair is fuck. Girl, girl. Fast forward to me looking good as fuck on Instagram. Motherfuckers see you looking good on Instagram, and all of a sudden, them bitches wanna come get you. Don't come get me, bitch. Keep me outside. Keep me out fucking side. Gosh. Don't come get me. Y'all, right now we at Apple. My cousin's phone broke. But don't when I'm outside, don't try to come get me. Bitch, I'm trying to be you, twin. Don't stop my pro.
All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you beyond your way.
Come outside.
When I told you to
DJ, give me that drop to that who show my Ricky beat drop.
They playing a game, y'all. We can't shake our ass because they playing a game.
They should have watched that shit at home.
They should have.
Ain't meant to play.
Period. That bitch look bad, looking like a bag of money.
slim thick, perceived with it. She wet with a key missing. No sleep bitches. When I get my freak on, they throwing money like me home. When I do my 10, money fight this. Little bitch, I don't want your man. But these rich niggas throwing paper. Now it's time for the circulate. It's time for the circulate. It's time for the circulate.
Man, I could get lost. I'm just taking my hand.
Bad bitch contest, I'm always in first place. Me and my girls outside. It's been a lit light.